up? It's Alex with Camping is Easy. I'm here with Eric. We're just ending the day. Paddled out here.
Some dinner.
About to eat some dinner.
And this sunset.
We just want to show you what we're looking at because this is just so epic here. We're in the Keys, North Ness Key. Got the island to ourselves. So we're here in the middle of the mangroves, setting up. And as you can see, we are without a fire, without stove. And sure, we could pack a sandwich. You know, nothing wrong with a public sub. But if you want something hot and you're out in the middle of nowhere, Omeals. So inside, this is the food, just in a pack. You also have your utensils. But the secret is this heating element that it comes with. It's water activated. So any kind of water can activate the heat element. Salt water, fresh water, brackish water, dirty water, technically urine, anything. So combination of these two in the bag is going to heat up the food when I add water. Just enough to get everything going in there. Boom. Seal it up. And now I'm just gonna wait for this heating element to activate. And it's going to actually boil the water inside of this bag. And then boom, it starts boiling the water, and as you can see, it's steaming out from the top. And this is going to heat up my pasta fagioli. So I just finished heating it inside the bag, pulled it back out. It's lunchtime. How is it?
It's good. It's really hot. Trick is halfway through, pull out the patch. You gotta be careful because it's still really hot. You gotta squeeze it, mush it, and kind of mix it around, and then reinsert it back in for a few more minutes. When you do that, all the food is really nice and hot.
Awesome.